Ah, is the laundry finished?
I was doing needlework. Don't you remember?
What are you making?
Mosquito net here on top, so that we can sleep with this one up, so that we have more fresh air in the sleeping room, because summer is coming and we need it.
Welcome to a new video of
Sorry.
Sailing Messenger. Wow.
Now we have to check if it fits.
It approaches perfection.
That's maybe a bit too much, but I'm trying to work precisely. That's just small, yeah?
Like the perfect. You're from all the markets home, aren't you? Hello. Yeah. Hi.
Here.
It's nice.
Now I'm going to make this one that Hermen made a bit better. No, joking. This was just a quick thing long ago, so now we are going to make it.
I did my best on that one.
Yeah, but now you made very nice ones because we had better material. So I'm going to give this an upgrade.
Okay, that's nice. But there are flies coming into our bedroom.
Let's close this one quickly.
So Marjolein will keep on working on the mosquito nets, and I have to say something to the people who are really worried about us, and they send us messages that we have to stay in the marina, and I promise that we won't take a risk if we leave. Like we will wait at least some time here till the situation has been changed maybe a bit, and that's one thing. And the other thing is that we are supplying the boat. We take water in, we take fuel in, we take food, so that if we leave we can maybe survive for 3 or 4 months, and in that time we will definitely find a place where we can provision. That's it for now. Oh, that's my friend.
Yeah, picture.
Kulu tamam. Kamal, habibi.
حبيبي كامل كامل Shatter, my father.
Ah, Kamel Shatter.
Grandfather Ramses.
Oh, Ramses Shafi.
Yeah, I am Nubian in Aswan.
FM.
This is Aswan, hot sun,
yes.
No virus.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Very hot.
Oh, that's nice. Alright, see you later.
See you.
So, that was Kamal. He's a friendly man. And because we have viewers from all over the world, from Saudi Arabia, Sweden, Germany, England, United States, everywhere, I have one question for you. Because we are all affected by the coronavirus. So tell us, what is the situation where you are in? How much the coronavirus impact your life? Tell us how you spent your days in the comment section below. We'd like to see what our followers are going through. With this, I'm gonna say peace out.